Hi everybody, my name is Alexis and thank you for watching my video. I am currently in my dorm room if you couldn't tell. If you've seen some of my other videos, you probably know that I used to live in Las Vegas and I recently moved to Los Angeles in August of 2018 to pursue modeling and to go to school. When I first moved out here for school, I signed with a modeling agency. I'm balancing going to castings and working and classes, and it's a lot, but it's what I wanted to do and it's going really well so far. And I am a freshman marketing major here at Loyola Marymount University. I really love school and I thought that I'd show you guys my morning routine and a little bit of what the school looks like. My morning routine is pretty simple. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. during the weekdays, go to the gym at 6:30, come back, take a shower, get ready, make breakfast, and then head to class. So if you would like to see what that looks like, then just keep on watching.
My alarm will go off at 6 a.m. and usually it's really dark, which is why I'm filming it later in the day. And also here's a little bit of what my room looks like. This is my side over here, and then this is my roommate Rachel's side, and we're both pretty clean, so I love that. And I always make my bed and then just change into some gym clothes. If it's sunny out and I'm going for a run, then I'll use some sunscreen, but if it's not, I usually just put my hair in a bun, and that's all that I do to get ready for the gym. In my gym bag, I bring ankle weights, a jump rope, and always headphones, and then the walk is about 5 minutes from my dorm, so it's not too bad. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I do the cycling classes. They're at 6:30 a.m. But on the other days, I usually just do my own workouts, which include cardio, resistance training, weights, a lot of HIIT type workouts. So yeah. And when I get back from the gym, it's usually about 7:45, and I immediately take a shower. And we have community showers. They're not as bad as everyone thinks. I use this Maui Moisture shampoo and the Shea Moisture conditioner, and I detangle when my hair has conditioner in it. And then I use this body wash and this lotion. And when my hair is still soaking wet, I'll put this Miss Jessie's leave-in conditioner in it, and then wrap my hair up in a t-shirt and wait for it to dry a little bit while I get ready. For skincare, I use this acne.org cleanser, and I highly recommend them because they completely cleared up my skin. And I also use this vitamin C serum followed by the CeraVe moisturizer. And depending on my mood, I'll wear makeup or not. A lot of the times I have to for casting, so I just do it in the morning. But if I don't, I just put on sunscreen and that's it. This is my outfit. My mom gave me this top that she used to wear when she was a teenager, and I paired it with these denim shorts and white Fila's, except they're not really white anymore. And then this is my deodorant and the perfumes that I use. And I was actually FaceTiming my sister while I was getting ready. And for makeup, I use this It Cosmetics CC cream. I love it because it doesn't cover up my freckles and it leaves your skin looking super natural. So I'll just rub that into my skin and then use this Dermablend powder. I also use this Tarte blush, which is really pretty, and I love the natural makeup look, so I don't wear too much. And then for brows, I use the Benefit Gimme Brows. And for mascara, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And this is my favorite mascara ever. I always end up going back to it. And that's it for my makeup. And then I will move on to my hair, and I just re-wet some of the pieces that got a little bit frizzy, and I just use this one Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls product and scrunch that into my hair. And throughout the day I just let it air dry. It takes a long time to dry though, usually about 6 to 8 hours, so my hair is always wet when I go to class. Also, to set my makeup, I use this rose water spray, but I accidentally bought the kind with glycerin in it, so I'm just trying to get rid of that. And I will add some jewelry, and before I make breakfast, I always drink this apple cider vinegar and water mix, and it tastes disgusting, but I feel like it cleans me out, and I know it's good. And I always make a smoothie for breakfast. It saves a lot of money, and it's really quick and easy. So this is all that I put in it. I usually start off by just putting in some frozen fruit, and then I will add a couple handfuls of spinach and kale, You can't taste it, so don't worry. And then I also add in some vegan protein powder. I'm not vegan, I just don't eat dairy, so that's why I use this. And I also add some maca powder that I got from Whole Foods. I know that there's a lot of benefits to it, I'm just not sure what they are, honestly. And then I use some coconut milk, and that is all that I put in the smoothie. If my roommate is still sleeping, then I'll blend this in the lounge, but she has 8 a.m., so she's usually out of the room. I will also make green tea in the mornings and bring that to class with me, and I try to schedule my classes from 9 a.m. to about 12 every day because it works out really good with the timing for my castings. So I will finish the smoothie, grab the tea, and then I head to class for the day. I also took some videos of what the campus looks like. The campus is stunning, and most of the time it's about 75 degrees and super sunny, so I love being outside and I love being here. And there's a spot you can see the Hollywood sign, and then it overlooks the city a little bit, and then the ocean is to the left. It's about a 10-minute drive from my school, so it's pretty amazing, and I'm super grateful to go here.
That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or video suggestions, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Running up bands, got my guap. All the bad wanna talk. Yeah, too many wild parties on. Yeah, me and Bo got kicked out the yard.